Introducing Bow Spray, an innovative solution from BoWiQ to create a flawless acoustical ceiling finish. BoWiQ is a Netherlands-based company, trusted worldwide across the US, Europe, Middle East, and Asia. With the support of our R&D team, Bow Spray offers an extensive range of colors, from international collections to bespoke options. Bow Spray is powered by two key components, bow fiber and bow binder. Bow fiber, made from specially treated recycled cellulose, has fire-retardant properties. Bow binder is a water-based adhesive designed for strong adhesion on surfaces like gypsum, concrete, and metal. The fiber pump channels the bow fiber, while the adhesive pump transports the diluted bow binder to the nozzle, where the two merge for seamless application. For the perfect mixture, bow binder is diluted in a 1:10 ratio with clean tap water. Now get the blower pump ready. Switch on the glue pump and make sure pressure is around 20 to 30 bars. Place the fiber in the hopper of the fiber pump. Make sure the machine has the correct settings. We begin with a test spray to check the mix ratio. The squeeze test guarantees the mixture is balanced before full application. Once everything is set, Bow Spray is applied to create a seamless, beautiful finish that meets the highest international standards in both performance and environmental responsibility. Bow Spray, quality you can trust, from BoWiQ.